See the given question. If star be defined on Q plus by A star B is equals to AB by 2, then we have to show that it is a group. To show it is a group, first we should know what is group. For proving group, let G be a non-empty set and star be a binary operator. Then it should satisfy 4 properties. First is closure, associative, identity, and inverse. Closure property is nothing but, we will say, suppose there is an element A that is belonging to G and B is element that is belonging to group, then closure property states that AB belongs to G. While going for the associative, A belongs to G, comma, B belongs to G, comma, C belongs to G implies that A, B, C is equals to A, B, C. Identity element, always the identity element will be 0 in addition and 1 in multiplication. If we are writing the identity element, identity property, I can write A star E is equals to E star A is equals to A, while this star is an operation. Inverse property is A inverse is equals to E is equals to A inverse A. Now we have to prove this. Now first property, closure. They have given in the question that A star B is equals to AB by 2. Now going for the closure property, A belongs to the group, B belongs to group. But in the question, instead of group, they have given Q plus. So we will write Q plus here. Okay, A belongs to Q plus, comma, B belongs to Q plus. That implies A star B belongs to Q plus. That is, A star B they have given in the question as AB by 2. I am substituting AB by 2 belongs to Q plus. Hence, closure property satisfies. Now going for the associative. Associative property is nothing but A belongs to Q plus, comma, B belongs to Q plus, comma, C belongs to Q plus implies A star B star C is equals to A star B star C. The condition is A star B is equals to AB by 2. Now here AB is there, here BC is there. So in the place of AB we can write BC. So A star BC by 2 is equals to, here A star B is AB by 2. AB by 2 star C. Now think that this whole term is B and think that this whole term is A. We have to convert it into the formula. So now A star B will be AB by 2. So A, what is B? B is BC by 2 is equals to, here also same, AB by 2 again C by 2. That is, I can write ABC by 4 is equals to ABC by 4. Hence, associative property satisfies here. Now, next is identity. So, identity is nothing but A star E is equals to E star A is equals to A. Now, I am selecting one term, A star E is equals to A. Okay, so in the question they have given A star B is equals to AB by 2. So in the place of B there is E here. So I am writing AE by 2 is equals to A. Now this 2 I am sending there. A is equals to A 2A. So E is equals to, I can write, or else I can cancel this 2 A's. This A and this A will get cancelled. E is equals to 2 we will get. Now substituting, E star A is equals to EA by 2, that is E value is 2, 2a by 2, that is nothing but a. So identity also satisfies here. Next, inverse. Inverse is A star A inverse is equals to A inverse star A is equals to E we should get. Now I am selecting one term. I am writing A star A inverse is equals to E. In the question they gave A star B is equals to AB by 2. Now in the place of B it is A inverse. So I can write A inverse by 2 is equals to E. What we got E value from the previous step? We got E value as 2. So I am substituting A inverse is equals to 2 divided by 2. So A inverse is equals to this 2 I am sending there, I will get 4. So A inverse is equals to 4 by A is equals to 4 by A inverse. Now substituting this values means A star A inverse is equals to A inverse by 2 is equals to substitute any one value. I am substituting 4 by A into A by 2 divided by 2. This A will get cancelled, 2 1s are 2, 2s are 2 and 2 will get cancelled, we will get 1. 1 is nothing but E. What I said in the multiplication, identity element will be 1. So hence A inverse also satisfies here. So that we can say that it satisfies all the 4 properties of group, then we can say it is nothing but a group.